aircraft fighter in the world, your United States Air Force, F-35A Lightning II. Major Wolfe is now setting up for her first aerobatic maneuver, coming in from your left. Major Wolfe will execute to half cube in 8 at a stunning 50 degrees angle of attack. The first of its kind maneuver, unique to the F-35 demo team. 300 feet to over 3 miles. Ladies and gentlemen, from the right, prepare for Freedom's Thunder on a high-speed pass. Yeah, my brother's rebel. 2's pedal turn. To a near vertical climb.
I'm feeling good. As you see, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. Glass of
Closing in from the left. Ladies and gentlemen, the tactical pitch.